Hi there, I'm Mike. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. We're going to just briefly going over how we apply password resets in Active Directory and through the OS ticketing system, just one of many other types of ticketing systems out there. And we're going to assume that we are just starting our normal day at the help desk and grabbing some trouble tickets and assisting end users. A little brief background about who I am. I'm recently CompTIA A Plus certified, and I am also actively pursuing my Net Plus and Security Plus also online with Calbright College. So hoping to get through that pretty soon also. So in this tutorial, we're going to just go ahead and go through our VM setup here at our home lab and assume that we're at the help desk. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my password. All right. So we will begin by opening up our OS ticketing system on the right here on the desktop. Wait for that to do its magic. All right. We'll enter our generic username for this video. Generic password. All right. So we see we have ourselves about 6 trouble tickets here. We're just going to focus right now primarily on resetting these passwords for the end users. So we're going to hover over the ticket number, go down over here to assign, and we will move up and claim our ticket. Yes, claim. All right, marked overdue. And user Jalen asked, can you reset my password? I think I had caps lock on when I changed it earlier. No problem, Jalen. We will respond after we go ahead and head on over to Active Directory. Let's open up that right now. All right. So we're going to go ahead and use generic username in our lab environment. We will scroll down and uncheck user must change password at next logon and apply. Okay, verify password for 515 support Jalen end user has been reset successfully. And we will go back to our OS ticketing system. We already have hi there Jalen. And we will ask him to please contact the help desk at our generic extension for the new password. And we will post a reply to Jalen. posted. All right. So let's go ahead and head back up to our other pending open tickets. You can see the request from Jalen has already disappeared and we were left with this other one. So we'll hover over like we did before. And assign our ticket. This one is for Danny. And she says, I remember changing my password on Friday, but cannot remember what I set it to. No problem. Go ahead and claim that one also. Head back over to our Active Directory, reset password, enter our username. And we will uncheck the box for user must change password next log on. Click apply. And verify that the password for Danny has been reset successfully. Alright, and we will head back to our OSTicketing system and reply to Danny. Has been reset. And always good to have the end user contact you. That way we can verify what we did. Generic extension. And we will post our reply. Okay. So we're going to head back up here. Drop down menu for open. And we'll go to the answered ones. Respond to Jalen. We're going to go ahead and assume that we already talked to Jalen and we've verified everything. And we're going to post our reply for documenting that the reset password was, what we intended to do. So, verified. By phone call. If you don't post a response right here, the system will basically tell you need to reply. So we're going to have to put something in there. Oops. Sorry about that. And we'll mark it resolved. Post our reply. Closing the ticket out. Now as you see it disappeared, we will go ahead and answer Danny. Close out her ticket as well. And we'll assume we talked to her and verified it. Go down to ticket status, drop down menu, mark as resolved, and post the reply. Now all of our tickets have been answered. Queue is empty. And we see 2 answered and the 4 remaining. So if we have time, we'll go ahead and go and answer those end users also and hopefully take care of them as well. So it's just a little brief tutorial, nothing too serious, about how we go ahead and go through OS ticket system and Active Directory, resetting passwords for end users, assuming we're at the help desk, and going through our normal day of business. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like, please hit the subscribe and like button, and thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day.